Okay, so in this problem, we are going to look at save operation plan. So we are going to make use of the operation that we saved previously to machine a new part called this. So we are going to use the operation which is the set step, the operation parameter that we saved previously to machine a new part. And then we are going to look at the total machining time in minutes to machine the parts. So let's start. So just open the part. We have everything set up here. So our extract machinable features, everything has been defined. Our post processor, machine tool. Okay. So we extract machinable features. So we are going to apply the operation that we used previously. So we'll come here and then we'll change the strategy. Alright. So you can see here no operations have been defined for O1 in the technology database. Let's see if we try and then generate operation plan. You can see nothing has been generated. So here what you're going to do is we'll go back to our database and make some editing. So we'll go to mail and then features and operations. So here the feature is a whole and then the strategy is this one, the one we saved previously. So here you can see we have the stock material here set to stainless steel, but what is inside here is different. You can see it's AISI 304. It's a different material, so that operation plan won't work. So you are going to define different material here for the operation. So here we are going to change it to stock material to all. Then we have blind. Okay, so these are the tools. So in the first one we have this type of tool. So you can choose to define the tool using an expression. So CAMWorks is going to look for a certain diameter. Let's say you define, let's say 20 here. So CAMWorks is going to look for tools that are 20 and then grind machining. But here we know the tool that we are using, so we are going to use this tool that's already been selected. So operational depth, we've already done that. Use constant 3. So everything here looks fine. And the subtype is blind. So just save. Okay, so now it has been changed to all. Then everything looks fine. Okay, so this is the feature, this is a feature condition. So all the features that are in the part has to meet this criteria before these operations can work. So we already have blind over here as a subtype, over here blind as a subtype. So if the end condition is blind, true or true. So now let's try and see if it will work. So just close here. So generate. Alright, still we don't have that. Okay, so go back and then change the subtype to true. So you are going to add another one here. So you just copy the same thing here, and then you are going to change here to true. So we'll change it to true, subtype true. Alright, so let's try this again. So basically what you are doing is we are defining different conditions. So if the whole feature condition meets this, then this should work. If it meets this condition, then this operation should work. So let's try it again and see. Okay, so still it has not been generated. So let's add one last condition. So go back. So you're going to add a last condition, which is the drill. So make edits to this one. So just come here, drilled. So everything here is fine. So I'll just save. Alright, so now you have three conditions, one, two, three. So let's try it out. Alright, so it has been generated. So you can see the operations that we created previously have all been applied here. Okay, so the next question says should generate the two paths and then look at the total machining time. Alright, so you are just going to generate two paths and then we'll look at the total machining time. So you can see it takes about 3 minutes to do that feature. Okay, alright, so that's it.